An outbreak of the avian influenza has affected several thousands of birds across the country. It has been reported from Kerala, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Gujarat, and Uttar Pradesh so far. It was identified in the first week of January with reports of unusual deaths of large number of birds. Avian influenza, commonly known as bird flu, is a highly contagious viral disease affecting a variety of birds. It includes those consumed by humans such as chickens, ducks, turkeys, quails, as well as pet birds and wild birds. Wild birds act as a natural reservoir of the avian influenza viruses. Their migratory movement could bring these pathogens to poultry, waterfowl, and other domestic birds through contact. Bird flu can be caused by several virus strains, some of which can be transmitted to humans. The two virus strains identified in this outbreak are H5N1 and H5N8. These come under the category of highly pathogenic avian influenza, which in most cases leads to disease and death of fowls. The World Health Organization states that humans can be infected with virus subtypes H5N1, H7N9, and H9N2. The response to such an outbreak is a containment strategy which is primarily centered around removing the deceased birds through culling. Such mass destruction has a severe impact on farmers. Kerala has already identified over 69,000 birds, mostly infected ducks, to be culled. The spread of the disease among a variety of birds, including migratory birds, has prompted the center to issue an alert to states. Local authorities have banned the sale and export of poultry in many regions. They are also increasing tests to control the spread of the bird flu. It is impossible to eradicate influenza viruses because they persist in a vast reservoir of aquatic birds. Experts say that continuous growth in poultry farming under poor sanitary conditions may have sustained the virus.